Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Coreldraw tutorial how to edit text. So as example, you can draw text with this text tool, and I will set into example. Now if you want to edit this text, you can double click on the text, and the next you can change for the text like into number. Click outside to change. If you want to change for the font, you can select again the text objects and then go to the properties. So in here you can see we have the Arials for the fonts. You can change like into this option to be automatically changed. For uniform fields, you can set like to color patterns. So we have the patterns, or you can set into the uniform to be shown in the one color here. For this option should be shown for the backgrounds of the text objects. And the next for the hairlines, you can set like into 0.1 millimeter. So we show for the hairlines into the text objects, or outlines. You can set like into 0.5. So this is for the outlines for the text object. If you done, you can click outside to apply. So that's it for a basic CorelDRAW tutorial how to edit text.